Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can pin important messages in Zangi Messenger. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time now. Open up the Zangi Messenger app on your phone. If you don't have it, don't you worry because you can install it from the Play Store quite easily. Go ahead and download it, install it and open it. Now, I'm going to teach you how you can pin the messages. Go ahead and open a group text or a chat from your friend. And let's suppose I want to pin this location. I'll just go ahead and tap on this message, and as soon as I tap on it, you can see the pin icon on the top right hand corner. Go ahead and tap on the pin and you can see that it will tell you, do you want to pin this message on the top of your conversation. If you just go ahead and click on pin, it will be pinned only in your page. But if you want to pin it for other group members as well, if you are in a group, just go ahead and click on this box, click pin, and you can see the pin message is here. So as soon as someone clicks on this pin message, they will be headed to where the message is. So this process is quite easy and helpful as well. You can do this and you can easily pin messages in Zangi Messenger. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.